Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We've taken a look at this Michael Kors model, Adrianna 2 MK2024 in color code 310613. It's a dark tortoise color frame. On the temples over here, it is a gold temple with the Michael Kors logo engraved. And this is the tip of the temple design, as well as this side. This is the back of the frame. The lenses are a brown gradient color, and it has the Michael Kors logo engraved in the top left lens. These are RXable. Up here we have a Michael Kors case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, a authenticity booklet, and a manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.